Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is one concept, emotional logo design. That means the design of the layout. So no matter talk, just I will start. Let's begin today. So first of all, I need to select all the things and a little bit smaller. Yeah, and keep to the counter side. Yeah, I'm keeping here the corner side. So what we need to do, we need to just go to the over here, but the dashboard. I needed the round rectangle to press over here and I just drag. Now how to drag? Use letter B there. I think that's fine. I needed to the color, any color. Okay, I needed stroke color none. And I just yeah, alright, fine. So what we need to do, we need just to copy this one by pressing Alt key there and it just there and just to go over here align and horizontal align center and vertical center. Done. So now what is do? Select all the things and rotate again just exactly like that. Yes. And go to the over here. Build a tool and cut all the things by pressing over the key. See? They're good. Fantastic. So we just wanted to do again, go to the finder and unit all the things. It's okay. And I need it just to, and I need to now color the berry a little bit bigger, like that. Okay, I think 8 exactly. Okay, we need to now just to how much I will make that. Line segment 2 and drag over here. There. I think it's okay. So again, I need it just to from here. I think a little bit more better. So I just put over here and again go over here exactly like that and put over here. And right now we need to check how to clear its whatever its middle center, the balance are goodly kept over here. We need to just press Control and what? See, exactly put over here and same there. So we're gonna back to the same pressing. So I need to just to select all the things and cut by clicking Shift Build it and needed to press the Alt key there. Okay, done. And we need to go over and go to the basic and like that. How happen exactly, but I just provided the previous things. Select previous one, and I just click this all. Fantastic and very beautiful design for the lab. Design of the lab, emotional. something here. So I will end it today. Thanks for watching.